What's going on, you guys? Hey, this is Sean here with Valor Day Trading. Gonna hop in here, do some live bets. Just wanted to go ahead and start streaming this channel. We can go ahead and start building our subscribers and building a community. But uh, my backstory is entrepreneur, own multiple businesses. Brother's a hedge fund trader. Never was really into trading, and I just something about this. One of my friends told me about this. I started doing it, and I got addicted. It was fun. I love the dopamine rush. Definitely have had a lot of some failures with some trades, some nice losses, but also some really good wins. And I feel like today, with Valor Day Trading, we can necessarily, whether you're a newbie or experienced, we can join a platform, together and necessarily uh, collaborate and grow and develop our skill sets. And I'm not claiming to be a professional. I make plenty of mistakes. I'm on my training combine here on Top Step and going to see what kind of moves we can make today. We'll see what happens. But uh, for me, I don't have a plethora of of strategies. I have around 3 to 4 strategies that I try to primarily focus on, and we're going to see if we get some of those entry points today. So let's see what we can have. Let's hop in here. Let's see. Do a lot of stuff on NASDAQ. Got a little rush right here going. Definitely a good push right here. Once this candlestick closes, which this thing is just booming up here, we're gonna see if it gets retraces back, possibly find our entry point. Don't want to buy all the way up here and then it just falls off the top of the map. If you're gonna do that, you definitely want to start with one micro and kind of build your way in. We're gonna see it kind of pull back here potentially. This market's been all over the place recently. About 3 4 days of just downward trends. So be nice to see a nice bullish market today and hopefully see a uptrend compared to what we've been seeing because these markets have been taking a beating. So we had a downtrend. We might just go ahead and put one micro in here.
Order filled.
All right, so we put one micro out there. It's dropping a little bit. That's fine. We might actually end up, once we see some green candlesticks, we might ease our way in there a little bit more. Perfect. Here we go. We're going to wait till it hits that moving average. Oh, wow. Nice. That sucker is just dropping, huh? Good thing I only put one micro in here. I'm going to go ahead and put three in here. Feeling pretty confident we're going to get a.
Order filled.
What's going on in the VIX? Showing a buy. We got to see the VIX turn around. Should have saw that. Trying to push through here. Let's go Bulls. See, we get a little bit of a uptrend here. Come on, Bulls. There we go. Push. Trying to get some momentum here. Sellers are pushing hard. They are. They're coming in strong. They want this to drop. So when you're out here and you're actually trading, I mean, what are you exactly are you looking for? What kind of moves are you looking to make? Is there certain patterns that you're looking to kind of make your entry points? Is there certain strategies that you're focusing on? Is there a game plan that you have set this morning? I mean, are you just going in this blindly? Um, Always a great tool is just using chat gpt. You can take screenshots, drop it in there. I mean, it literally gives you a market analysis, kind of gives you a game plan, kind of what to do for the day. For each and every one of us, we all have our own kind of styles and ways we do things, and honestly, it's just really important to make sure that you really have a game plan before you go in this and start trading in blindly. Let's see if we can actually get some of the markets. We got, looks like yesterday, right now our lows are at that, where that support level is right around 290. I'm a little surprised to see this thing dropping a little bit, but yeah, that's all right. Definitely getting new lower highs, new lower lows. Is that A little bit of a push here. What do we got? We got 3 minutes to the next candle. Let's go. Let's go, Bulls.
Order filled.
A little bit of a push here. Nice. We're gonna see how this goes because we might take profits because I'm really trying to not hold too long in some of these because I feel like sometimes you wait and then you just end up losing out on all your profits. So we're gonna see how this goes. But take $200 profit right now. That's not a bad. We'll see how it plays out a little bit. Gonna move this right here. At least make $85. I'm gonna move this down. You see this blue line right here? This is the moving average, and I just noticed that a lot of times it stays true, and particular when the candlestick hits it, a lot of times if there's I mean, it will bounce right off. So it's really a great indicator to kind of stay there. So it's about to drop. Do we just take the profits now? I know it's going to come back up, but definitely like to win. Let's see how this goes. There's that moving average. You see that? Let's see how close it gets to that. Sometimes it'll surpass it, but you'll see it like sometimes springboard off of it. It's pretty crazy. Let's go Bulls. See if we can get through this. He has to smoke an e-cigarette. Need to stop that, huh? Let's see if we can get this bad boy, this candle into a green. Come on. This moving averages got a slow uptrend. $20. Let's go buyers. No, no buyers. We got a stop loss right now. Currently it's $68. We're gonna pull this back just a shade so we don't get stomped out. That moving average right there, it's holding it. Come on, buyers. Where we at? Gotta get a push here. Let's go, Bulls. First trade of the day. For money markets. Let's go, buyers. Step in here. Currently have a stop loss at $43. Up right now, 7 micros, 117 bucks. Could drop, could just blow up. We'll see here shortly. All we have is time. Right now, that moving average is holding strong, keeping it honest, but we'll see if it can hold. Very slow start. Oh, about to get stomped out here.
Order filled.
Well, first day. That moving average is going to hold. We'll see if it actually drops. Look at the 1 minute chart real quick. See just if we got some green, got some pushes. We'll see what happens here. See if it actually.
Order filled.
No, come on now. All right, we're in a trade right now. We're look like we're at the upside, but it looks like we're gonna make a little small decline right now. See if the moving average, which looks like it's holding strong, nice. See if we get this pulled back and then go ahead and get some buyers behind us because the buyers are slow this morning. We have been currently in a sell off for the past, I don't even know how long, for the last several days now. It's getting aggravating. It's time to get an uptrend here. We might have to close out in the sale. Sometimes you just take a quick L and then you move on.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can break through this. Been quite wonky today. See the turtle head poking out? Get going, baby. Go. Go. Jeez. It is just, come on now. Nice and slow. Got some buyers stepping in here. Let's see if we can actually get some movement here. Push. Unreal, dude. It's just pass it. Let's get this into a buyer's market. We're above VWAP. Hopefully buyers slowly take full control of this. But it doesn't look like it. It just retraced severely. But we'll see. Come on. It's when time to buy in. Buy, buy, buy. Looks like no one about mixed 50-50 here. These sellers know something I don't know. I'm not really sure. But they sure as hell won't let us out of this. All right, so if you guys have been you're watching right now, if you guys have been in the trades this week, it's here we go. It's gonna touch this moving average. This blue line right here that you see on here
Order filled.
All right, we just got punched out. It's all right. Two trades, one positive, one negative. We'll take it. Now it's gonna move. It's all right.
Order filled.
Like right when I purchased it, it was like I'm going backwards. But I can see that this it's going up. Like this moving average is slowly peeling up, and I just normally when it makes that uptrend, it usually it puts me in a place of usually in the positive. 5 micros in here. We're gonna start taking profits today. I'm not. Sometimes you try to hold too long, you think there's more money, and then you end up losing it, and it's just really unfortunate. It's aggravating. Still some sellers in this market, but looks like we're starting to gain some traction here with some buyers. Whoa, just flip that back around quick. That's where I'm talking about the profits. Sometimes you get a quick $100, take it. And then if it's still rolling with the momentum, just continue to bet on like you were originally. So on here live for 39 minutes. Not much been going on here. Two trades so far. Currently in 1.5 micros in the Nasdaq. Slowly got some uptrend here. See if we can get some momentum behind us. Move the stop loss here to $30 right underneath that candle wick. Let's go Bulls. People are starting to buy in. They're feeling it. I think there's still a lot of sellers in this market, man. But the buyers are starting to believe. Come on. Got a couple candlesticks in a row in the green. Maybe catch this upside trend. Got a little bit of battle. Got a couple things that we got to touch, knock off. Nice. Let's keep moving. There we go. There's a boost. That's what we're talking about. We could take $200 for the profit right now, but for whatever reason, I believe that this is gonna take off a little bit, but I could be wrong. pushing. All these sellers right here, they're trying to sell off, but too many buyers. There we go. Nice push. Put the stop loss at 105. It's a little higher than I wanted, but we're getting a nice push right here. Boom. Nice. Buyers jumped in. Got a decent little trade going here right now. Put the stop loss right at 150. That makes me feel good making 150 at least. Move this up a little bit. 227 stop loss. Still rising. Buyers holding. We had 3 candlesticks. Hopefully it's on a 3-bar reversal. Definitely got some great things going, some good movement here on the upside. I'm moving the stop loss up pretty high up here. It's probably going to get stomped out potentially, but well, let's put it right here. Normally I put it below the wicks of the second candle, but just want to take profits this morning. Take your wins when you get them. Make sure you don't leave anything on the table. I've done it 1,000 times where I could have sold 1,000 and then I end up, it comes all the way down and I took $200. So it's just take your wins when you can take them. We're almost at where we're going to take our first win if it continues to rise, because we know that there's going to be retracer, but still moving strong. 7 minutes to fast markets. New York Stock Exchange hopping in. But right now we got a nice little winner going on here. Hopefully the bulls keep pushing and we keep seeing this number going up. Right now we're currently in a training combine, trying to get two more $50,000 accounts approved. And here we go. We're probably about to take our first win potentially. We're going to see this downtrend. The bulls are still in here. Question is, if you're trading and you've been doing this, you just started or you've been doing it for a while, the question is, do you have a strategy? Is there a certain patterns are you looking for? Or, is there, do you like to short? Are you always just buying? Are you following the trends? And the biggest thing is, with being, successful in this market, because I've lost thousands of dollars, it's just really just your discipline, not over leveraging, not constantly, putting yourself, after one trade you lost, you're getting into another trade. It's really just taking the time to make sure that you're focused and you got all the information you need to make a really sound decision. Because you know sometimes when you buy in the top, you're really putting yourselves in jeopardy's way because you just don't know what's going to happen, right? You just really don't.
Order filled.
All right, got stomped out. Nice. Have a drop down. We'll see if we can buy this dip if it comes back down. Touch off that moving average. We're gonna buy 3 micros.
Order filled.
I really feel like it's gonna retrace back. There we go. Very nice. Keep pushing. Oh, no, she just broke through. I might be wrong on this one. I just talked about not getting into another trade, but I really felt like we had the momentum here. That moving average right down there on that blue line. Yeah, see, it holds strong.
Order filled.
Come on, pull back a little bit. Just put in another 3 micros. Trying to see if this holds. Definitely got some momentum behind. I might have to close out this one. Ah, really? We might be getting out of this one.
Order filled.
It's probably going to do exactly what I thought it was going to do, but I don't feel like playing with Russian. Oh, it did. No, it didn't. Ah! You got to love this. Oh, man. What a winner right there. I had just flowing. Fast money market's about to start, so we'll wait. See what happens here. Could get wild here in a second. 2 minutes. Actually, I think it's a minute and 13 seconds. Money market about to start. 20 seconds. Money markets is in.
Order filled. Order filled.
You're not really supposed to jump in like that. I was just thinking that it was about to explode through the top. You really got to wait this one out. So just you don't want to miss that train, huh?
Order filled. Order filled.
Hundred points just in the matter of no time. Jeez.
Order filled.
Yikes. I just fucked up.
Order filled.